Game 1 of the second round of the playoffs. Steph Curry is not playing tonight. He's looking to come back soon, though. Pelicans looking to take advantage in Game 1, try to steal the game. Draymond Green, he gets his 4th playoff career triple-double. He had 16 points, 15 rebounds, and 11 assists. Anthony Davis with the one-handed lob. Every game he has to get a lob like that. It's in his DNA. It's in his quota. Durant gets a 4-point play on the 3. Unlike the series with the Blazers, they don't have the matchups. They don't have anybody to guard Kevin Durant. He's going to go off. Drew Holiday can do a decent job on Curry. He's not going to shut down Curry, but it's going to be interesting. Look at Sean Livingston throwing down a slam, and then Klay Thompson kicks it to Green for the splash. Klay Thompson had 27 points. Durant had 26. Anthony Davis was on a tear in the first round tonight. He only had 21 points. Durant catches a lob. They left him wide open. Jay-Z and Beyonce at the game. Is Jay-Z a Warriors fan? He's from New York. What is this cheese? Look at Klay. Oh my goodness. The bench is going crazy. He had all day to let that one fly, and he's got to celebrate. Warriors are having fun here in Game 1. They're not worried at all. Without Curry, it doesn't even matter. Good hustle, but the 50-50 ball goes back to the Warriors, and Iguodala knocking down the 3. He's mean mugging. He's celebrating. This game was never in doubt. It's a huge blowout. Durant, that's a dagger. And it's only the 3rd quarter, and he already delivered the dagger. It's a 30-point game. My goodness, Warriors coming out in Game 1. They're letting them know this is not going to be an easy series. Another 3 for Durant. Davis is not happy. Another guy. How many of these guys do they have? Oh, there's 3 of them. They're making it splash with the freeze. Looks like I can block the freeze as well, too. Ooh, I can't be touched. I'm going to just go ahead and use this. As soon as this builds up, I'm going to let it fly. We're going to use the rage.